Greetings! What's up, YouTube fam? It's a Davis Journey coming at you with another video. Today's topic is fertilizer. I'm going to show you how I make my own fertilizer in liquid form to feed all my fruit trees and my annual crops and whatever else I'm growing. So what we're going to be making is a Compost Comfrey Tea. Go look at this comfrey I got right over here. You can see that it's going off. Got plenty of it. What I'm about to do is strip it, just all its leaves, fill it up into a nice trash bin, and then I'll weigh it down with like a brick or something, or a big stone, and fill this trash bin up with water. Close the lid and let that stuff soak for at least 6 weeks. The longer it sits, the better it gets. If you want it to be like a pure liquid form, you definitely need to sit on it for a few months. I've got a batch over here. I can show you what the final form will look like. But right now, I'm going to show you how I strip this comfrey plant. Let's go. So here we are. Basically nothing to it. Best thing you can do, take off the stems and just cut all the leaves into the trash bin. Even the flowers work too. The stems will take a lot longer to decompose, so that's why we strictly just use the leaf work. You might ask, why comfrey? Why would I make comfrey tea? Well, comfrey is a very interesting plant. It's got a very deep taproot, and these roots go down to the subsoil where most plants can't reach. And what they do is they bring up all those nutrients from the subsoil up towards the surface that can feed, other plants around them. Or you can do something like this and make your own feed and go feed the plants where there's no comfrey around them. 10 minutes later. Anyways, so now you got half a bin of comfrey leaves. Got my not my roots, just some stalks. You can put that into like a compost or even use it as mulch. I'm gonna put it in the compost. So after you got your leaves in there, it's nice to chop them up, exfoliate them, all the leaves, get them open the pores. Nice comfrey salad. Now we're gonna go fill this bad boy with some water. Alright, so here we are. Fill this up all the way to the top. Make sure wherever you do fill this up that it's going to be a place that's going to stay for a while, because it's going to be a heavy trash bin. I don't have my stone that I used to have because I've got other ones percolating, so I need to get some more stones. For this particular feed though, it's not going to really matter because I let my comfrey tea sit for months on end to where it's literally like a pure liquid form. I'll show you with this batch right here. Oh yeah, it smells wonderful. That's something you should be aware about. But yeah, look at that. That is just pureness. So when you're ready to feed some plants with something like that, you want to dilute it on a ratio of 1 to 10. So, 1 gallon of comfrey and then 10 gallons of water. Now you've got 11 gallons of nutrients to feed plants. And that's why I make these really big batches, because I got a lot of plants to feed. So, yep, that's basically it. Once this guy fills up to the top, I'll put my lid on it. I'll date it so I know, something like that. September 23rd. That one's been sitting for a while now. And we'll do the same thing to this guy. And that's about it, folks. homemade fertilizer. You see in the process, there's the aftermath.